Business analysis can seem complicated. With so much to analyze, it's easy to feel lost. Don't worry, we'll provide you with the key to cut through the chaos and streamline processes and solutions. Welcome to BA Bits, where we make business analysis simple and fun. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell to stay updated. Share the video with your BA friends. Now let's dive into today's topic. Imagine a world where businesses run smoothly and decisions are data-driven. Who makes that happen? The superheroes called the Business Analyst, who bridge business and technology to drive change and innovation. Let's dive in. At the heart of business analysis lies the ability to elicit and document business requirements. A business analyst interacts with stakeholders through workshops and interviews, surveys, and focus groups, and also does a lot of document analysis and information research to uncover the real needs behind a project. Think of an e-commerce platform being built. The BA would gather requirements from sales, marketing, and IT teams, ensuring features like payment integration, user authentication, and inventory management are part of the design. Without clear documentation, misalignment and costly mistakes can derail projects. Business analysts act as liaisons between business and technical teams, translating complex needs and ensuring both sides are aligned. A BA analyzes business processes to identify inefficiencies and suggests improvements that can save time and money. For example, a BA analyzes a manufacturing company's inventory process, identifies bottlenecks, and recommends an automated system to streamline stock management, reducing delays and cutting costs. Defining and evaluating potential solutions is crucial. A BA researches options that fit the organization's needs and presents a comparison, helping business decide the best solution that will work for them. They support solution design and development, ensuring the final product aligns with business needs and customer preferences. Comprehensive documentation throughout the project keeps everyone aligned, avoiding confusion and misalignment. Great business analysts facilitate workshops and discussions to gather insights and refine project goals with stakeholders. Testing and validation before going live is critical. A BA defines test cases and verifies system functionalities. For example, during an SAP ERP implementation, two key considerations are data migration accuracy, ensuring a flawless transfer of data from legacy systems to SAP, and integration testing, verifying that data flows seamlessly between SAP and other systems. A BA assists in planning and managing organizational change to ensure smooth transitions when adopting new systems by assessing training needs and providing users with the right resources to effectively operate the new system. Finally, a business analyst drives continuous improvement by analyzing performance and user feedback for long-term success. By defining KPIs, a business analyst can assess solution performance and ensure it meets business objectives. For example, some key KPIs for a CRM solution are retention rate, CSAT, lead conversion, and response time that measures its effectiveness in meeting goals. To sum up, a business analyst converts needs and ideas into effective solutions that improve efficiency and promote business growth. Now that you know what a BA does, are you ready to step up, take charge, and be the business analysis superhero? Thanks for watching BA Bits, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Follow us to watch more interesting videos like this.